Welcome back. Women organizations have called a meeting in Panji on 12th May over government's decision to continue with extension of early morning bar timings. Organizations say government must take them into confidence while framing liquor policy. On 12th May, the meeting will be held at Ambedkar Marg in Panji.
Various women's organizations on Tuesday held a meeting in Panji. They are annoyed as government is still permitting late night bars in the state. They have decided to hold a public meet on 12th May in Panji to express their anger on extension on bar timings. Women's organizations have submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister to keep bar timings limited till 11 p.m. But they did not receive any response. Now they have decided to hold public meeting at Ambedkar Maidan in Panji.
सगळ्यांनी थी असेंबल जावचे आणि सगळ्यांनी बाराचे विरुद्ध आपले मत थी सांगचे. सो हे इन्विटेशन आम्ही सगळे पंचायतीक धाडटले, सगळे महिला संघटनाक धाडटली आणि बाकीची संघटना जे रातचे 12 सकाळ मेरेन फातोडे मेरेन जे बारांची उक्ती आसा तेजेर बंदी घालपा खातीर आमची जो ही मागणी आसा ते आमी जाहीर सभेन मांडटली.
These organizations say government must consider their views while framing liquor policy.
वाइन फेस्टिवल करता, गव्हर्नमेंट प्रिमायसिसाचेर सोरो विकता जशे आयनॉक्स, मागीर आमी खंयची जी स्पॉन्सरशीप आसता भुरग्यां खातीर खंयच्या खेळा लायक स्पोर्ट्स फुटबॉल ती अल्कोहोल कंपनीज तांकां स्पॉन्सरशीप दिता. ना हे सगळे गोष्टी ते अल्कोहोल पॉलिसीन येवपाक जाय आनी सरकारान अल्कोहोल पॉलिसी बायलांचे मत घेवन ती अल्कोहोल पॉलिसी करपाक जाय.
And we don't want bars to be open till late night, and because it's not good.
Sushant Par for Prudent.
Goa Governor Bharatveer Vanchu may have to record his statement before CBI as a witness in connection with its probe in the VVIP helicopter purchase deal. Sources in the probe agency said it was necessary to question Vanchu, who had been chief of the elite special protection group guarding the Prime Minister before he was appointed as Governor of Goa. Earlier, Governor Vanchu had informed Prudent that he is open for investigation in VVIP chopper deal scam.
CBI is planning to send a team of its officers to record the statement of Goa Governor B.V. Vanchu as a witness in connection with its probe in the VVIP helicopter purchase deal. PTI claims that sources in the probe agency said it was necessary to question Vanchu, who had been chief of elite special protection group guarding the Prime Minister before he was appointed as Governor of Goa. CBI sources also said they would be recording the statement of Vanchu as a witness for now, as he had participated in the meeting in 2005 that allowed key changes in the technical specification. The agency had sent the proposal to the Law Ministry for recording the statement of Vanchu and West Bengal Governor M.K. Narayanan, who was the National Security Advisor at that time. After Law Ministry declined permission, the agency had approached the Presidential Secretariat for permission. However, Goa Governor Bharatveer Vanchu, while speaking informally to Prudent, he had said that he is open for investigation. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Marvin Godino is an opportunist who had backstabbed Rajiv Gandhi earlier. Marvin wanted himself to be expelled by GPCC president so that he could negotiate with BJP government for better posts. GPCC spokesperson Sunil Kautankar has fired all guns at Marvin. Kautankar also says DGP's statement on drugs will totally demoralize police officials, especially those who are honestly cracking down on the trade in the coastal belt. DGP had earlier said that Goa had drug trade in its underbelly but not on large scale like Mexico.
Marvin is a person, he had backstabbed Rajiv Gandhi. And I don't understand why every time when Congress party is in opposition, these people are unhappy. Whenever Congress party is in ruling, these people never open their mouth. Only when the party is in opposition, these people start getting suffocated. Secondly, he is saying that he will contest from Dabolim and all those things. I guess I am surprised how it is going to be possible. Yesterday, the PWD Minister, Mr. Davlikar, has said that they are going to contest over there. Secondly, Marvin is on the way of joining BJP. He was sending fillers and he was sending indications that he should be suspended from the party by the party president, GPCC president, so that he remains unattached MLA and then he can negotiate his own terms for his own benefits with the government. We will see to it that we retain Dabolim seat with a much bigger margin. DGP's reaction, the DGP statement that there is no drug mafia in Goa has surprised all of us. With the statement coming out from the DGP T.N. Mohan, it is very apparent that DGP is acting as a spokesperson of the drug mafia. Yesterday also, with an order, they have sanctioned about 24 personnel from the IRB with a few officers to the anti-narcotic cell. If there is no drug mafia, why he is doing that? हे DGP जेन्ना लेवलाचो ऑफिसर जेन्ना म्हणटा की ड्रग माफिया गोंयांत ना, ऑटोमॅटिकली ताजे सकयले जे ऑफिसर आसा ते डिमोरलायज जाता एक्शन घेवपाक. आतां ते स्पेशली IPS ऑफिसर्स जे येता वयल्यान, they are not much serious about what is happening in Goa, with exception of few. थोडे ऑफिसर आसता लायक तो SP कश्यप और तो नार्कोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्युरोचो राणा, हे पॉयझन मनीचो कसले फायद्या खातीर जर कवरअप जावपाचो प्रयत्न चल्ला जाल्यार स्टॉप जावपाक जाय. We are writing to the cadre controlling authority. We are writing to the Union Home Ministry to take strong action on the DGP TN Mohan, because this is not acceptable for an officer of a rank of a DGP to try to cover up the existence of drug mafia which is there.
The High Court has issued fresh non-bailable arrest warrant against murder-accused Sameer Shetye from Vasco. Sameer Shetye was acquitted by the trial court on the ground of insanity in the case of murder of his wife. But after hearing state government's appeal, the High Court found him fit to face the court proceedings. Later, Sameer Shetye did not appear before the High Court and Vasco police has failed to serve him warrant.
The High Court on Tuesday issued non-bailable warrant for the third time against murder-accused Sameer Shetye. During the hearing, prosecution informed the court that previous warrant returnable on 6th May could not be served as Vasco police has not been able to trace accused Sameer Shetye. On 1st December 2009, Sameer Shetye had killed his wife Rupa inside his house at Vasco. During the trial, he took the defense that he killed his wife due to unsoundness of mind. The trial court in its order dated 28 June 2012 held Sameer Shetye guilty for stabbing his wife but released him on the ground of insanity. Later, state government challenged trial court's order before the High Court. After receiving medical report of Sameer Shetye, the High Court declared him fit to face the court proceedings. The High Court directed Shetye to appear before the court to follow final hearing of the appeal. But Shetye is absconding. The High Court has issued fresh non-bailable warrant to him, returnable in second week of June. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.